Okay, we are doing counting on to add, and I need to grab my tool like every day. And here we are, we're going to practice. It says, look at the example, then solve problems 1 through 5. We're on page 19. We're going to do 19 and 20 in session 3. How many blocks in all? Remember that the first number, if we have an equation that says 7 plus 2, we know that 7 is a greater number than 2. So we'll start with 7 and then we'll count on. 7, 8, 9. So the new total is 9. Okay? Number 1. How many blocks in all? Count on to add. 5 plus 1. So here we have 5, and we're going to add 1 more. 5, count on, 6. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. There are 6 blocks in all. Number 2 says, how many blocks in all? Count on to add. You can press pause and try this one on your own. When you have finished, press play and see if you did it correctly. Go ahead and press pause. All right, so number 2 says 6 plus 1 equals blank. So we have a part plus a part equals the whole or the total, right? 6 and 1. Which number is greater, 6 or 1? 6 is a bigger number. That's why we have 6 blocks here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That kind of took a long time to count, didn't it? It did. So I know that I don't have to count them all. I can just say 6 and then count my next number, right? Count on. 6, count on, 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 is the total, the new whole. Okay? Now we're going to move over to page 20. All right. And I need to grab my tool. And it says, how many blocks in all? Number 3. Again, press pause and see if you can do this one on your own. When you finish, come back. How many blocks in all? In all means we want to look for the total. And the total is the part and the part that we put together to make the whole. The equation says 4 plus 3. Well, what's greater, 4 or 3? 4 is greater. So we have 4, count on, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Did I do that right? Oh, I was supposed to put those numbers right here on the line. 5, 6, 7. So we had a part, which was 4. A part plus a part, which was 3, equals the whole, which is the total. And the total is 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 blocks in all. Okay? How many blocks in all? Count on to add. Here's number 4. Press pause. Do it on your own and then see if you get it right. We have 5 plus 3. Which number is greater, 5 or 3? Which one's bigger? 5 is greater. So we're going to start with 5. Here we have 5. And we have 1, 2, 3 more blocks. So we're going to count on, right? 5 and then 6, 7, 8. So what is our total? Do you think it might be 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Great job. There are 8 total blocks. Last problem says 5 blocks are yellow. 2 are red. How many blocks in all? It says what is wrong? Well, let's look at our problem. It says 5 are yellow. That looks like it's going to be one of my parts. 2 are red. That's another part. What is my total? So I have 5 plus 2. Here it says 1. Is this 1? Well, it's one group. They're all stuck together. But it said 5 here. Oh, I know. They were supposed to put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should have said 5, not 1, right? 5, then 2, 3. No, I did have to add 2 more blocks, 1, 2, right? But what comes after 5? I have to count on, right? 5, because there's 5 altogether. 6, 7. So what is my total? 5, then 6, then 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. There are 7 total blocks. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Count by tens.